Make sure.
Okay, first day in Thailand.
Am I having a good hair day, baby?
Yeah, your hair's good.
I look like I just woke up.
We're running late. It's already 3.
We gotta get to the temple
Gotta go.
before 5. Let's go.
I know. Did you take the key?
Yeah.
We got it. Sure. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shin. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you around popular tourist spot in Bangkok and in Buriram. Wala pa kaming breakfast.
Our first food in Thailand, and guess what? We're having Italian.
Shut up. Gutom na kami.
Huh?
Okay. Yummy. Or we visited Thailand last April 2023. So I was with my boyfriend. We visited the place kasi nga his daughter played soccer sa Buriram. Kaya we had to visit para lang mapanood siya, to give support, parang ganyan. And at the same time, to visit other, the tourist destinations in Thailand. So we stayed there for more than a week ata. And we only visited a couple of places, and it was quite fun, walking around the street of Thailand. Yeah, you can understand them now. The very first place that we visited was Wat Pho. It is known as the Temple of the Reclining Buddha. Nasa may likuran lang siya ng Temple of the Emerald Buddha, which I'm gonna show you on this video as well. Mga 10 minutes walk lang ata siya doon. And these temples are set on the banks of the Chao Phraya River. So yung Chao Phraya River is the major river in Thailand, and Chao Phraya means river of kings daw yan, based on my research. Anywho, this temple has the most pagodas in Thailand. This is the largest and oldest Buddhist temple sa Thailand, and dito rin nag-start yung art ng Thai massage. If you're wondering, the temple was built between 1782 and 1788. And yung reclining Buddha naman was built in 1848. So the reclining Buddha is 46 meters or 151 feet long, napakahaba. And yung taas niya naman is 15 meters or 49 feet. So as you can see on this video, his body is covered in gold. And his eyes, at saka yung paa niya, have mother of pearl decorations. Yung bottom daw ng feet niya has 108 seams made from the shells in both Chinese and Indian styles. Actually, hindi ko na siya napansin. Binidyohan ko na lang siya. And basta na-amaze kasi ako sa place. Ang ganda kasi niya. Ang sobrang taas, sobrang haba. And napaka-solemn ng place. Kaya hindi ko na napansin. What did you find out? We're like in another dimension. Ah, looks cute.
Buy another pair of long pants.
Hmm?
Light?
Well, yeah, maybe.
No, long hair.
Backwards.
You are so persistent.
Here and there. We're like
Oh my god, it's so
Tuk-tuk
hot.
what? Huh? Tuk-tuk what? Grand Palace. Hey, tuk-tuk money. Oh, too much money. 60 baht eng, look. 60. I don't know, you want to go for 60? Take your right.
Okay.
Okay. Welcome, Bob. You walk, guy. You walk this far. I know. It's exercise. Good for you. Oh, exercise, huh? Oh, too hot.
So
Grand
hot.
Palace. Grand Palace. Another guy trying to get a pirate.
I know.
Sure, it's the same time winter. Really close until 2:30.
What if it's really cold? I know. Yeah. What's that?
Ministry of Defense. Yeah. Payut, payut. Ami. Ah.
Alright, so a couple of tips if you're visiting any temples in Thailand. The first one is you have to dress appropriately to enter the temple. So yung mga lalaki, they should wear long pants, long sleeved shirts, at saka sapatos. And women must do the same. Or they can wear long skirts. Nung pumunta kami dyan, we were both wearing shorts kasi sobrang init. And naka-tank top si boyfriend. Naka-sleeveless din ako. Pero, we made sure na meron kaming baong mga damit. Mga long pants at saka t-shirts. Kasi nga, in respect to the locals at saka sa Buddha. The restroom's outside. It's outside before the entrance.
You don't have to see everything. It's hot.
Actually, you can rent appropriate clothing naman within the complex. Pero in case na maubusan ka, baka hindi ka kasi papasukin kapag naka-shorts ka lang. Second, you have to remove your footwear when entering the temple. It is considered as a sign of respect to Lord Buddha, syempre. And for the locals as well, yung mga nag-pray sa loob, they always remove their shoes. Take a picture of me, Baba. I don't want to take pictures of you.
I'm hot. Did I say I'm hot?
And respect na lang sa mga locals at saka sa temple. Sundin na lang natin. Third, you need, if you're participating in prayers or if you're gonna pray inside a temple, your feet should be neatly tucked in and never extend your legs towards the deity. Ayaw nila yun. May mga guards sa labas ng temple and even sa loob. May mga nag-ronda dun sa loob and tinitingnan nila kung appropriate yung pag-upo mo. So yung proper way of sitting is you should be sitting on your toes sa likod. And ayun, mag-pray ka lang silently. Bawal na may ingay, syempre. Bawal mag-ingay sa loob. In respect to the people who are praying. So yun lang naman. I think kahit sa ang temples, ganito rin ang mga rules nila. And it doesn't hurt if we're gonna follow them. No, just even there, at least you'll be able to see. Yeah. Or you can just stay. The Royal Pantheon.
这柬埔寨，因为刚才呢就是吴哥窟，就是柬埔寨以前就是国王他开国的地方。以前是我们变成开国的地方，因为国王他打仗。
From the, I don't know. so hot. You're so fast.
It's just out in the sun.
Beso kayo pupunta dito ng ano ng April na painit po. Sa pagbura. Sobrang init ang tindi pa sa Pilipinas.
Stone stuff outside is like baking hot with the walls around it. It's just like inferno here, man.
So what can you say about the Grand Palace?
It's grandly hot. It's really hot. It's a big grand oven cooking experiment.
We're like being cooked alive. Oh God, here comes another one. Whew.
Give that umbrella to Mama. You come with me.
So what's in here? The White Palace. Toilet, yeah. I want to go to the toilet too.
Let's do it.
Let's do it where? Here? That's super far. These are the flowers. We're going home.
Hello, that way.
Zenith.
What are you showing?
Flowers. Looks good.
Great. They like the heat.
Huh?
Huh?
This one?
They look happy.
They look happy.
They know something.
That's it, Pansit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you like this video. Stay tuned for more because I'll be uploading more videos in the next couple of days or weeks to come. Thank you. Have a blessed day, everyone.